Has weight loss become a challenge for you? Do you struggle with digestive issues? Are your sugar levels high? Do you feel that fatigue, acidity and bloating have become a part of your life? It is possible to gain back your health with millets. By including millets in your meals, you can solve all of the above challenges. Millets are ancient Indian grains. They are high on fiber, gluten-free, extremely nutritious, alkaline, easy to digest and also diabetic friendly. There is enough scientific evidence which shows us that including millets in our diet can help us deal and cure many lifestyle disorders. I am Pallavi, co-founder of Millets for Health. During my own pregnancy, millets helped me to overcome gestational diabetes, and that has inspired me to share my experience and knowledge with everyone. For the past 10 years, I have been cooking, feeding and teaching people how to cook with millets in several leading institutes like IIT Delhi, Center for Science and Environment, the United Nations, and I have also done cooking shows on TV as well as on several online forums. I want to spread this knowledge further and get more and more people to embark on this Millets for Health journey. In this course, you will learn gluten-free, oil-free and vegan recipes which are easy to cook and yet delicious. The recipes are sure to be a hit with all members of your family, including children. I have shared techniques and hacks which will help you to explore many more possibilities with millets. We have also shared free recipe ebooks. The course helps you to learn, identify and use the different types of millets. Once you are part of the Millets for Health family, you are assured of continuing and lifelong support on your millet journey. Join us to take charge of your health with India's first millet e-learning course and become an expert on millets.